Dear friends, in this episode, we are just going to discuss on large language models. Yes, the field of artificial intelligence, driven code intelligence has long been dominated by closed source models, limiting research, customization, and accessibility. Rethinking patch dependence for masked autoencoder. Dear friends, masked autoencoders, MAEs, have become a popular approach in self-supervised learning for vision tasks. The main idea behind this MAEs is to randomly mask portions of an image and then train the model to reconstruct the missing parts. Typically, the decoding mechanism of this MAEs relies on self-attention across masked patches, but this can be computationally expensive and may not be necessary for learning effective representation. In this work, the authors propose a novel approach called cross-MAE, which fundamentally alters the decoding mechanism by removing self-attention between the masked patches and instead focusing solely across attention between the masked and visual tokens. This adjustment not only simplifies the reconstruction process but also improves the overall efficiency of the model. The key innovation here is that cross-MAEs decoder can now only leverage cross-attention between masked and visible tokens. So this drastically reduces computational complex, especially in the decoding phase. As a result, cross-MAE is able to achieve 2.5 to 3.7 times less decoding compute compared to traditional MAEs, making it significantly more efficient despite this reduction in compute. Cross-MAE matches or even exceeds the performance of MAE on downstream tasks like ImageNet classification and COCO instance segmentation. Dear friends, this new approach is a breakthrough in self-supervised learning, as it provides an efficient way to learn visual representation without compromising on task performance. By focusing on cross-attention and reducing unnecessary operations, cross-MAE sets a new standard in the efficiency of masked autoencoders, enabling faster training and development of vision models. Dear friends, with this momentum, the future of software development will be shaped by AI models that are not just powerful but also transparent, customizable, and universally accessible. The rise of code intelligence is here and it's open to everyone. Hope you enjoyed this deep dive. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you have come across any papers related to this topic discussed, feel free to share them with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the world of generative AI and LLM. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode. Happy learning, dear friends.